Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about checking your browsing history in incognito mode on Google Chrome really quickly. Does it work? Is it even possible to access your browsing history or search history on incognito mode on Chrome? Well, let us talk about it in this short tutorial video. So to access your incognito mode or window here on Chrome, simply open Chrome on your laptop or desktop computer, click on these three dots in top right corner and select your incognito window. Alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard, or if you're using a Mac, Command-Shift-N. So let me do that really quickly. And after a brief moment, your incognito window in Chrome will be open so that you may browse through the internet anonymously without saving your history. And that's the point here, guys. There's, for example, to give you proof of that, there's actually no browsing history saved in the incognito mode. That's what the incognito mode has been designed for in the first place. Well, to be more precise here and to add some context to this, we can all assume that Google itself has somehow access to your browsing data and your search history, which makes sense at the end of the day, as well as your internet service provider, even if you access the internet through an incognito mode or on your favorite browser. So actually no browsing history or browsing data that can be deleted. The only way how you can delete your browsing data is actually to close all your incognito windows. And that's how you clear your browsing or search history in incognito, simply by closing the window here by clicking on that X button. And that's it, guys. Super simple, as you can see. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.